Hello student. The previous period we started the new chapter, that is climate, and in that chapter we are discussing the climatic control. You know that there are 6 major controls of the climate of a place, and the previous period we discussed the two major controls, that is latitude, altitude, and pressure and wind system. Let's start the revision of the first two. How this climate control affected by this factor. Latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to the latitude, and the result the air temperature decrease. And the second we discussed the previous period, that is altitude. As one goes from the surface of the earth to high altitude, and the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. The hills are therefore cooler during the summer season. And third is pressure and wind system. The pressure and wind system of any area depends on the attitudes and altitude of the place. Now, this period we are going to discuss the fourth one. The climatic control is distance from the sea. How the distance from the sea affect on the climate. When distance from the sea increase, its moderating influence decreases. It means affect decrease. When we go from sea to away, long away, and you will be found that moderating influence decrease, and the people experience extreme weather condition. Extreme weather condition, it means what? Very hot during the summer season and very cold during the winter season. In this way, when distance from the sea increase, it affect on the climate. Hot in during season and cold in winter season. Next is that ocean current. How it is affect the ocean current on climate. Oceans along with onshore wind affect the climate of the coastal area. It is generally affected on the coastal area, ocean current. For instance, any coastal area with warm or cold currents flowing past it will be warmed or cooled if the winds are onshore. In coastal area, if there is a winds are onshore, it is be cooled or warm, depends on the onshore. Next is relief feature. How the relief feature affect on the climate? You know that the high mountains act as a barriers for cold or hot winds. It affects the climate. With high mountain, it becomes the barrier for the cold and hot winds. They may also causes of the precipitation. If they are high enough and lie in the path of the rain bearing winds, due to the leeward side of the mountains, rain relatively dry. In this way, in this point we studied that climatic control of the climatic control of weather. These are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean current and relief feature. The remaining content will be discussed the next period. Thank you.